Hi all, Ashley Bright here, back with another video showing some of my recent crafty finds. I've ordered quite a bit of stuff from AliExpress, but only one thing has come in so far. It's a little bit more of like a muted color than I was expecting, but these are some kind of like mauve tassels. And then I did also get a Peachy cheap order. And this is a set from Magical Forest. So I just thought I'd share this with you. So it came with the 6x8 pad. And I love this page. So cute. All these little critters. And then I have another packet of these bows. I have one of those already, but just got another packet. I think those bows are really cute. And then I love the sticker sheets too. The little girl and the unicorn and all. There's like lots of florals and then lots of just like basic shapes and things. And then of course the sheet is like amazing. All these super cute little critters I think are adorable. This fox especially is so cute. So yeah, that's those. And then I did also get the ephemera pack as well. Yeah, so here are some of the different ephemera pieces as well. Some really cute ones that will be fun to play with. But that's everything from Peachy Cheap. And then I thought I would also share the May kits, I think is what we're on. Yeah, May kits for Hip Kit Club. So let me show those two. So I'll start with the paper. This paper is Vicky Bouton, and it's like this deep blue, I think, like navy color on the back splatters. And then there are some Fifth and Monaco papers. There's this floral print, and then, oops, the back of this is this black and white with some peaks color. Then there's this super pretty black and white floral. This is the Fifth and Monaco still. And the back is this bright stripe. And some butterflies and confetti. And then these papers are Stamp and Market. Some alphas. I love this paper. I think this is so cool. It's so pink. And the back of this pink is so pretty. I love this color. And there's some pretty florals with some pink watermarks there. And then some tags, this old-fashioned camera. And this pretty stripe on the back, some black and white print, and again some pink stripes. So that's the paper. Let me show the ephemera. So we get some Fifth and Monaco stamps. So that's the back of this. Then there are some alphas and some puffy phrases. Both, this one is like kind of holographic with like a pink polka dot in the back, or like the pink foam in the back poking out, and then some phrases, and here are the phrases on the back. Fun in the sun, pool party. Very summery. And then there are the Vicky Bouton Let's Wander ephemera. And some little gems. So that's everything that comes in the main kit. I do also have the embellishment kit. And in that kit, there's this Dear Lizzie sticker sheet. Super cute. Look at that camper with all the balloons coming out of it. That is so adorable. And there's like a little gummy bear. Very, very cute. Very summery. There's a stamp market sticker sheet. Frames and phrases. There are these Amy Tangerine bows. Very bright. And Amy Tangerine puffy stickers. That bird is super cute. And some Maggie Holmes. I have like 2 packs of these, but I've actually never used these before, so I will make a point to actually using them now. And then there's this washi tape as well. There's some Stamp Market washi tape. And then the last thing I've got is the Pocket Life kit. So in that kit there are these puffy stickers. And there are these black and white alphas. The Swiss and Monaco collection has lots of black and white in it, which is kind of like a nice bold touch to add to other things. There's the Stamp Market ephemera pack. And so here's some of the embellishments, and then it comes with this like several tags, and there's some really like cool cutouts in here. Hello, these are actually really neat. So I'm excited to play with these. These are cool. So there's that pack. There's another ephemera pack from Amy Tangerine. Here's everything in this pack. Oh, look how cute that is. Some more watermelon birds, ice cream cones, really cute. And then there are the cards themselves. So here are some of the cards. Here are the larger ones. Here are like the mid-sized ones. Oh, this is really cool. Love that pink and black and white. So pretty. The mid-sized ones, and then our small ones, regular size ones. And I don't do Pocket Life, but I always get good use out of these cards. They're so easy to use on multiple projects, mini albums and things, like tag flips, and just embellishments. So yeah, I get good use out of these cards. But that is everything. I just thought I'd film some of the goodies I've received recently. I just also filmed a Happy Mail unboxing, so I'll post both of these videos up at the same time. So if you haven't seen that already, go check that out. And I hope you all like seeing some of these goodies, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.